Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the JPG in a non-destructive editor and immediately duplicate the background layer so you can revert if needed. Once done, zoom to 100%, 200% for accuracy, and use a lasso, marquee, or polygonal selection to isolate the text area. Make sure the selection follows edges closely. Then choose a content-aware or patch tool and apply a single conservative pass so you preserve surrounding texture and lighting. This reduces visible seams and keeps color continuity. Next, focus on the middle stage. Refine the filled area with clone stamp and healing brush while preserving texture and grain. You should work in small, 1/4 inch patches and use soft brushes. Set opacity between 10% and 60% to build adjustments gradually. Once a patch matches, step back and blend edges with a low-hardness brush to avoid halos. Also toggle layer visibility to compare before and after, and use frequency separation if color and texture need independent correction. To finish, apply gentle dodge and burn to match local highlights and shadows, then add a slight amount of noise or grain to the edited area so it matches the JPG's compression characteristics. Once satisfied, create a flattened copy for export and save the layered file separately. If artifacts remain, make sure to revisit the selection and redo problem patches with smaller strokes, or use frequency separation to fix color versus texture. This often resolves stubborn seams without starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.